Hi, I'm Brittany from Tackle It with Brit. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and suggestions to help keep your bedroom nice and tidy. Keeping your bedroom clean and organized can be a big task, and it can oftentimes feel like a losing battle, when in reality, your bedroom should be the most relaxing room in your home. A pro tip to keeping on top of your bedroom is by creating a bedroom cleaning checklist. Creating a bedroom checklist can help you create the personal and clean space you dream of coming home to. Here are my top suggestions for creating a bedroom cleaning checklist. You will make a daily checklist, a weekly checklist, and a monthly checklist. Starting off with the daily checklist first. Start off each day by making your bed, picking up any dirty clothes that are on the floor, put away any clean clothes that you have, take out any trash, and clear off all surfaces like nightstands and dressers. For your weekly checklist, you will want to change the bed sheets and pillowcases. Vacuum and/or mop your floors, dust all furniture and appliances. Clean all the mirrors in your room, wipe down door handles and light switches. For your monthly bedroom checklist, start off by dusting all ceiling fans and vents in your room. Wash comforters, shake out any rugs you have in your room, wash your walls and baseboards. And last but not least, clean any windows you have in your room. Of course, if you'd rather leave the checklist and the cleaning to the experts, you can always book a Home Glow cleaner. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more tips like these, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you again soon. Bye.